Today is Friday, May 15th, 2026. We are here at 255 SummerField Drive in Romeoville, Illinois. And today we're going to be performing our second attempted shingle repair. Our first one was right here. We're going to perform our second one over here. And Eric's going to go ahead and proceed with it.
We are using a roofing snake, which is recommended by the insurance. I will take out shingle number 1. And in order to take out shingle number 1, I must take out shingle number 2 and 3 because they are nailed into the decking and into the shingle. I will now proceed. As you can see, I'm being really gentle. I'm trying not to damage, but still have another point of impact. And again, I have another one. As you can see, another one right here. I have another rip. It's another rip right here. Another major rip. There's another one here, and major granular loss. Major granular loss and another point of impact. And another one. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This attempted second repair has failed.